Anchor community submits proposal to restore UST peg. Algorithmic stablecoin Terra UST has fallen dramatically from its $1 peg over the past 48 hours. The Anchor protocol community has submitted a proposal to restore the Terra UST stablecoin, trading at 57 cents at the time of writing, to its $1 peg. Dubbed Emergency Measures for Restoring Terra Peg, the proposal aims to lower minimum interest rates to 3.5% and maximum deposit rates to 5.5%. Anchor is a decentralized finance (DeFi) protocol where the majority of USD staking/borrowing takes place. It has seen its total volume locked (TVL) slump to about $3 billion from almost $18 billion. The current yield of 18% would be temporarily reduced with a targeted interest rate of 4%, according to the proposal. A depegged UST cannot sustain 18% APY any longer, according to the post, which refers to the interest rate as an annual percentage yield. Reducing the interest rate would prevent the Anchor reserve from depleting and contribute to stopping the depeg death spiral. Another proposed emergency measure is to increase virtual liquidity for Terra to Luna swaps by a factor of 1,000 to avoid a prolonged UST depeg. TVL for Anchor protocol has dropped to $2.61 billion, down from last week's high of $17.15 billion, according to DeFi Llama. The protocol's native token, ANC, has lost 69.33% of its value in the past 24 hours, and is currently trading at $0.261. Correct, May 11, 11:05 UTC, correct stablecoin's name to Terra USD. An earlier version had it as US Terra. The Festival for the Decentralized World Thursday, Sunday. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.